Dad tried to pull out.
Good morning. So it's the next morning and we got 2 more vehicles to recover down by the lake. There's a park in Lehigh. Some teenagers decided to drive down in the snow and got stuck. I only have pictures of the one vehicle. He said the other one is stuck a lot worse than the one in the pictures. The one in the pictures is not bad. It's a little Kia Sportage, just in a little bit of mud. So we'll see what we get when we get there. I'm in the Green Land Cruiser Banner, and Ben is gonna meet us there. We got Dad behind us in the Montero. So should be fun. Nice little way to spend your morning. Pulling some cars out of the muddy snow. I love it when it snows. I don't love driving in it because there's always that group of people that drive in the snow in vehicles that shouldn't be in the snow and without having the proper skill level.
Looks like it came to help the Tahoe, or they were out here in the car because it's a all-wheel drive Kia or something, and they brought the Tahoe out to pull the car out. Which one do they have keys for? I think the Kia.
Well, I was thinking let's just put a rope on it and lower it. This is froze over.
They tried everything to get it out.
Well, and they were down here at like 1, 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. So my son was in the Kia, and he was by himself, and then he got that stuck. So he called his buddy and said, "Hey, can you try and pull me out?" His buddy got here with this. And
This side's pretty thin. I think the ice was right.
Yeah, you couldn't even tell that was water under there.
This side's almost ready to
especially
break
at night.
loose. Yeah, this side broke loose. The forward. Yeah, this one's not really frozen
It's not
either.
letting. Oh, I found it.
So 3 tires are. Oh, and this one just came loose. So yeah, we should be able to push that out. They're not frozen. About half-inch thick.
Woohoo!
Yeah, they're all loose. Oh no, I turned the traction control off and it's still cutting out.
Alright. What do we got to hooks in?
Yeah.
There's a recovery point in the bumper.
Yeah, it's too weak for something that stuck.
For sideways, yeah.
Probably go over the lower control arm. It's big and beefy. Something.
Oh, window.
The rear window.
You can see really good though.
Did you? I don't know if you heard that, but he just yelled out the back, I did a rear window delete.
There was a log sticking out from a real deep bank we were in, and it got the front windshield and the rear glass.
You have a rope? Why'd you even bother opening it?
Because there's glass along the bottom. I don't want to get cut. So I think the boys threw it in the back seat. Actually,
You want me to just grab mine?
I'll grab it. It's just sitting right here in the back seat.
Yeah, my son took his Bronco out one time and he got in the water like this. It was on a road. There's a big mud puddle.
Yeah.
I think probably
Just slow and static pull.
You wanna
Get
call
some
Dapper?
pressure on it. And
You want to call Dapper? He's heading after some cows.
Dapper! Dapper! Come here! Come on! Good boy! Come on!
I remember you.
I was about to yell, I'm ready! I'm ready!
Dapper, come here. little more.
It broke through. Now you gotta pull me out. One more. Hey, the battery's dead on this. Give it about twice as hard of a bump. Okay. Let's go take this one back to the parking lot and get the keys for that one. You want to drive that, Dad?
Okay.
It's still in 2-wheel drive. I never locked it in. Down too far before you put it in 4.
Yeah.
And that'll tell you how fast you can get sunk in these mud pits out here by Utah Lake.
Dad tried to pull out without putting in 4-wheel drive and locking the lockers, and he just buried it.
You got enough room, or should I move that thing out?
Probably pull forward.
Whoa!
It's a little bit
Did you
different.
say this wasn't bad?
No,
What do you mean?
That's all right.
we've got a lot worse.
To the snatch block. Wait till I get a little flat.
Down that.
Yeah.
See places you recognize.
Yeah.
We had a semi with 80,000 pound load on it.
How'd you
That
get
was
that out with these?
Buried worse than that. We had to winch it, and we had to deadhead 2 more rigs to them, so it took 4 vehicles.
Why are you acting so funny? Yeah, no, I don't think that's how we do,
That was pretty easy. Well, we gotta clean this up. We don't want to leave this out here.
Okay, if you want to go turn around the Greenland Cruiser, I'll follow you out. So did you say this is your guys' wood?
Yeah.
So we should probably take it out of here and not leave a mess and litter.
Both sides of my bookshelf.
If you know this area out here, you know these little cattail weeds. They're just weeds. They're a nuisance, they're noxious. That's why we don't mind running them over. It doesn't spread any seeds or anything. Well, do you guys have any questions or need anything else from us, or?
Nope, we're good.
Head over to the car wash and pressure wash all the grass and mud off it.
I like helping people out. We want to make sure that kids like you in your position aren't afraid to call us. Where, you know, a lot of times if it's going to be a $400, $500, $600 bill for something that was this quick and easy, you know, a lot of kids can't afford that.
And they'll try for several days and get 3 or 4 more buddies rigged stuck and break things.
Break things, make it a lot worse. So this way it's better for most people, and it gives us a little content for our YouTube channel.
But before you call these guys, I need to be called first.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Parents should always be notified first.
Right. But hopefully we don't need your services anytime soon again, but at least we've got your number now. And
Yep. Yeah, save our number.
Exactly. We absolutely will. Yeah, you guys been great. We loved it. So
Awesome.
We'll look and see if there's a dumpster out here somewhere to put that wood in, because it's not going to ride all the way to the shop. I'm not seeing any big dumpsters though. Small garbage cans out there, but they are definitely too small.
Is there no dumpsters around?
No, there's some small garbage cans over there, but they're too small. We'll figure something out.
Ben, let's just drive him over to Lunchboxes. He's got a huge dumpster in front of his house right now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they're
That's just
building there.
straight up the road, so yeah, that'll work.
I'll follow you in case one falls off. I'll pick it up.
Okay, I'll just drive slow. It should be fine.
You have keys?
Should go ahead.
That Tahoe came out way easier than I thought it was going to.
Yeah,
Well, it wasn't frozen down in the water like the Kia was, so it had some ramps. It could actually
Little car
come
last
out.
night was a lot harder than I thought it was going to be.
Oh yeah, that one was definitely harder, but that was a lot steeper. Well, that wasn't too bad. We got them out, and now we're just down the road from Lunchboxes. Big dumpster there, so we'll ease on down the road nice and slow and drop this busted up wood. But it looks like there's been a bunch of people come out and driving through park, like in the grassy areas of the park. Don't do that. Not only does it damage the park, tears up the ground and stuff, but it messes up the beautiful snow for the people that are coming to the park to walk. And stay where you are supposed to be going. There are legal places to go that are fun. Go there. Leave the illegal places and places that you shouldn't be going alone. Respect people's property and stuff. Sometimes it means you have to drive a little bit farther, but it's definitely worth it.
We want to always leave these recreational areas better than where we found them.
Yeah.
That way they're not going to be shut down. We want to respect all of the land, respect people's property, and if we do that, then all of our recreation areas are going to stay open for recreation. If we don't, eventually they're going to close them all.
And help clean up other people's messes too, because there are always people who are irresponsible and leave messes. So
Yep.
we'll do our part and then some.
So thanks for watching. We appreciate you guys, and enjoy.
Do the YouTube stuff.